Hi everyone, welcome to KJ's Kitchen with me Saranya. In this video we're going to see the preparation of Vada Curry. Take 3/4 cups or 100 grams of chana dal, which is split chickpeas. Wash it and soak it for about 2 hours. It's been 2 hours since we soaked. It should not be soaked more than 2 hours. When you try to break it, it should be broken with a little pressure. Add the soaked dal to a blender and blend it into a coarse paste. Make sure not to use any water while blending. Apply some oil on an idli plate. Divide the blended chana dal paste into 4 portions and keep it on the idli plate. Steam it for about 15 minutes by closing the lid. It's been 15 minutes now. Now it has cooked well. Let it cool down for some time. Heat a pan and add in 1 tablespoon of oil, 1 bay leaf, 1 cinnamon stick and 1 clove, half a tablespoon of fennel seeds, 4 green chilies which I've split into half. Saute for a minute. Add in 1 onion which I've chopped. Try to take a bigger size onion because onion is the main ingredient for Vada Curry. Saute the onions until it turns golden brown. Now it has turned golden brown. Add in 1 tablespoon of crushed ginger garlic paste, which I have taken 10 cloves of garlic and 1-inch piece of ginger and crushed it. Saute for a minute. Add in 1 tomato, which should be chopped. Saute it until it mashes well. Add in half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 3/4 tablespoons of red chili powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, and add some salt for your taste. Saute it for a minute by keeping it in low flame. Meanwhile, let's take out the steamed chana dal paste. Transfer it to a different bowl and break it into a crumbly texture. If you want little chunks here and there, no need to crumble too much. If you like it to be crumbly, you can crumble it all. I've crumbled it all. Look at the texture, it's so crumbly. And this is the perfect texture for Vada Curry. It's been 1 minute since we added the chili powder. Now you can add the crumbled chana dal into it. Saute it well. Add in 3 cups of water. Give a quick mix. Close it with the lid and cook in medium flame or heat for about 10 minutes. In 10 minutes now. Now the water has all reduced. Give a quick mix. Add some coriander leaves and curry leaves. Give a quick mix and cook it for 1 more minute. Now the Vada Curry is ready with a perfect consistency. Vada Curry goes well with idli, dosa, chapathi, roti. Thanks for watching the video. Try this recipe and give your comments in the comment section below. If you like the video, give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and share it with your friends.